Welcome back, everyone. You know the drill. We're diving into the AI world again. And as always, you can find great agents like today's focus over at AIagentsstore.ai.
That's right.
Today, we're looking at TeamDay.ai. It's making some waves in automating business tasks.
It really is. TeamDay.ai, fundamentally, it's an AI assistant platform. It's built specifically to automate work using these quite sophisticated agents.
Oh, okay.
And they run multi-step workflows, crucially, in secure, sandboxed environments.
Yeah.
So the goal for you listening is to get a quick handle on how this could, really boost your productivity.
Right. Productivity and tackling those really complex tasks.
Exactly, the ones that take up so much time.
So let's get into that. The core idea is empowering business users, automating workflows. But what caught my eye was this phrase, sandboxed agents capable of code execution. What does that actually mean for someone, on the ground? Is it about security, capability?
It's really both. And that's what's fascinating here. That 82% autonomy rating, that's not just marketing fluff. It means these agents can genuinely run complex workflows pretty much on their own. They can access a file system, search the web, use various tools.
Tools like what, generally?
Well, think about integration tools, data analysis tools, maybe even specific software development utilities. And they connect to these things called Model Context Protocol servers,
Okay.
which essentially lets them use advanced AI models securely. So yes, they can write code, run applications, even deploy stuff to the cloud, all end-to-end.
And the sandbox part keeps it safe.
Precisely. It's like a secure playground. The
Yeah.
agent can do powerful things, write code, test it, run it, but it can't mess with your main systems.
Okay. That's a big deal for businesses. Peace of mind, right?
Absolutely. Power without the risk.
Yeah.
It means you can automate more deeply, more complex processes without constantly worrying about security breaches or system interference.
Right. So we know what it is, how it works, but what does it do? Like, give us some concrete examples. Where does TeamDay.ai really shine?
Okay, think about automating really complex research projects. Gathering data from, dozens of sources, synthesizing it.
Wow. Okay.
Or maybe generating creative assets, like a whole suite of images or copy variations for a marketing campaign. It can even help with early-stage app development, taking a concept and starting the coding process.
So it writes code and runs it.
Yeah, autonomously writing, running, testing, and even deploying code, all within those secure sandboxes, things that used to take weeks, maybe now hours.
That's pretty transformative.
And you can schedule recurring tasks, too. Set it and forget it, basically. No need for constant manual checking.
So who's this really for? I mean, who benefits most?
Well, it's really suited for professionals dealing with those intricate, often repetitive, multi-step tasks. Think business analysts needing detailed reports constantly. Productivity teams trying to streamline department workflows. Developers, obviously, for things like CI/CD pipelines or code generation. Project managers keeping track of complex moving parts.
Makes sense.
And a really cool aspect is the community-driven agent marketplace. People share reusable workflow recipes.
Oh, like templates.
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah.
Pre-built agents or workflows you can adapt. It speeds up adoption because you're not always starting from scratch. You can leverage what others have built.
Okay, let's touch on the practical stuff. Category-wise, it's workflow automation agents, right?
Right.
And pricing, you mentioned it's accessible.
It's a freemium model. So you can get started, try it out without a big upfront cost. The code itself is closed source, though.
Good to know. And industries. You mentioned business productivity, software development.
Right, and team collaboration, too. Think about automating project updates, managing dependencies, alerting people to risks. It applies across quite a few areas where complex workflows are common.
So saving hours across the board, potentially.
Exactly. And that's reflected in the tags associated with it. Sandbox execution, workflow automation, agent orchestration.
Secure VM developer productivity.
Yeah, those aren't just keywords. They really point to the core value. Efficiency, security, and handling complexity.
So wrapping this up for you, our listener, what TeamDay.ai seems to offer is a powerful way to get back significant chunks of your time currently lost to those multi-step, often tedious tasks.
It really does. Think about what you could do with that reclaimed time. More strategy, more innovation.
Maybe just a less stressful workday.
That too. But it does lead to a bigger question, doesn't it? As these AI agents get more and more autonomous,
Right.
how do our roles change? Do we shift from being the doers to being like strategic orchestrators of these systems? What skills will we need then?
That's definitely something to think about, a fascinating challenge for all of us. If you want to explore TeamDay.ai further or discover other AI agents, head over to AIAgentStore.ai.
Check it out.
And hey, if you found this useful today, please do take a second to rate this deep dive. It genuinely helps others find the show. Thanks for listening.